People living in the Australian town of Mooloolaba woke up on Monday to find parts of the small beach town in the state of Queensland covered in foam. The rough weather whisked through the Sunshine Coast and whipped up foam from the ocean, bringing it to shore. It covered the beach and streets up to a height of 3 metres. Central Queensland's already borne the brunt of tropical cyclone Oswald, with torrential rain and destructive winds bringing flooding and tornadoes to the east coast and inland.